Hi, I'm Christine Cushing, and welcome to another helping of my favorite foods. What's the first thing that comes to mind when I say salsa verde? Is it maybe tomatillos, green chilies? Well, for this salsa verde, I'm taking you to Italy's northwestern Piemonte region for an unapologetic, bold salsa verde with parsley, capers, anchovy, garlic, and guess what? No lemon. Let's go. This is such an amazing sauce to have in your fridge during grilling season. I use it as a bold marinade or as an accompaniment to a finished grilled dish. I mean, if I'm having steak in the summer, love having some salsa verde. Chicken, veggies, anything you like, it's fantastic. And did I mention, just smear it on some grilled bread. So good. And as a little bonus, I want to show you my favorite way of preparing whole cauliflower. First thing I'm going to do is remove the tough inner core. Well, okay, the second thing, because I already trimmed them. Now I'm going in at a 45-degree angle with my knife. To cut down on the roasting time, I like to steam it first. Just enough water in the bottom so it's not swimming, but just steaming. Now the key here is to steam it just enough so that it's fork tender with a little resistance, otherwise it's going to fall apart. Now I've got my oven at 375 and I'm drizzling with a little extra virgin olive oil. And a great trick is actually to shave a little Parmigiano Reggiano on top. That's going to create that crust, a little umami, lots of depth of flavor, and some cracked black pepper. Of course, the classic Italian salsa verde is parsley, but I'm breaking the rules, no surprise. I'm adding just a couple of leaves of basil. Again, just a couple. It's going to add some sweetness, just a little bit of a different note, but you don't want it to taste like a pesto, obviously. Look how beautiful this parsley looks, bright green. I've thoroughly washed it, and you can see that I've left small stems on. This helps me to create a little more body in the sauce. Don't want to throw them out. Oh, here comes my mini chopper again. So exciting. Capers. Garlic, which I pre-chop because I really want to create that smooth paste easily. I don't want to have to fight it. And the anchovies also pre-chopped. Saltiness, richness of flavor. Now I'm going to jam all my parsley in there. And, ooh, the controversial, just a few basil leaves. Again, I'm going to throw in those small stems. Now I'm using red wine vinegar. White wine vinegar is also good. We are in the northwest of Italy, so I'm not going with lemon. Now the extra virgin olive oil. It's going to bring this all together. So beautiful and intense, this sauce. One of the tricks that's often used to kind of bind this sauce is either some breadcrumbs, egg yolks, or egg whites. I don't bother with any of that. I like it kind of loose and just the way it is with the herbs and all those beautiful flavors. Like, it really doesn't need it, but go ahead and do it if you like. What else can I use this for? Got asparagus? Perfect. Grilled peppers? Amazing. Fennel? Fantastic. Let's see if we can do another alliteration. Zucchini, zesty. All right, that's enough of that. So this was only 8 to 9 minutes at about 400. Look at that color. Now here, if you love your cauliflower super charred, just throw it under the broiler for the last couple of minutes and it's going to get nice and dark. I just wanted it to have a beautiful golden feeling on the outside. I didn't want it charred. Who's ready to taste? Looks fantastic, right? Smells so incredible. Bold, really. I can smell it and start to taste it already. I'm using my hands here. I love the marriage of that deep richness of those salty elements and then just that hint, just a hint of the vinegar. It kind of brings it all together. And then of course the parsley is just so fresh. It really for me tastes like summer. I don't know, I love the elements of this dish. Let me try it again. If you're gonna store this in the fridge and then you wanna use it and have a looser consistency, just pull it out of the fridge for an hour or so just to soften it up because that olive oil will firm up. I absolutely love it with the cauliflower. It's great because the cauliflower, again, has a richness of flavor that can really spar with this intense sauce. Go ahead and try this. I think it's gonna become one of your new grilling summer favorites. See you next time on another helping of my favorite foods. Thanks for watching. Share, like, subscribe. See you next time. Salsa Verde.